is expected, the chief of staff or the deputy or a very senior member of government, under the circumstance, should have been part of this discourse and to lead it. We feel that, with great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have the chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. Members of Parliament and the leadership of Parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us. As is expected, the chief of staff or the deputy or a very senior member of government, under the circumstance, should have been part of this discourse and to lead it. We feel that, with great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have the chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. Members of Parliament and the leadership of Parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us.
The Women's Brigade said, Afenyo Markin, Joyce Bauer. Afenyo Markin with me being a no catch me say me nobody. Obet me jina wa catch room nyina. Say oba besia me jina wenim. President your co-program no. And catch a chief of staff say. Opeso obi animu odu kakra. Ne kokoje petition. And yes, a kakra opeso obi animu odu. Na okokoje petition because onu they're definitely out. Yeah. Chief is soon to me all the deputies so be away in nasi. The president said, "Nana ya beti mi ako."
Our man penny free Jamaica.
No, yes. Obeti mi ako inti mo manenko. Me kokra na Marietta say on me be ba be ma me support am say oh sister o dear tina ha na ye dear obeye na say yes me nkwa duty calls. Aso ye duty inti me fa me back. Me nya call no omo ka kire me say omo bedu ho 11. Omo dru ho be 12:30. Me say me office twen ya na me say na mo kura nka mo maame etina office like a co-program ni wie ansanka me ba beto. Obi e ko gina park sui. Besi ennene nkrofo yimpi ho. Ti be want something any hu so mo ba. Obi me kura me ko no. Na me say oh we dey me kohia me nua no. Nana bi wo ho, Justine wo ho. Omo nyina. Me hwe from afar na ayi. Omo start protest say me dey omo ntimi ngi petition ni mfiri me ho. Maybe me omo kakai omo hu me ana omo yem hyehye wo. Inti no. Me hwe Justine from afar. No okan wona no say nana ya we na eba beji petition. Hwe obi. Enu nti na obi wo ho nya position na on person obeye humble no. Obi nti na onya position na on person me position me wo me mfa position ni manim. Ti for you for Justine. Where aba be ka che me say.
Say o hwe na no na hu so oka sa.
What me hu so oka. Say na me ben ho. All the reactions I saw it. Me edin for the first everybody thought I should react. But a police phone soldier for biase madam and the wire there. I didn't open my mouth because me jinaho in the stead of the president of the Republic of Ghana. If you want no more call more congress, no more could this. A binum so more papa be so a chairman no said then you omo fe ni din bi for tiatem so on petition me catch him say won I say me free her. But then I told to myself, say, I am standing here at the highest office of the land.
Yeah.
I am standing here in the stead of the president.
It
means me enye bibia contrary to what is in my mind. So me jina ho din hwe wo. Nebe hwe omo pre. Me dia se me de bia da na me de beka. Papa Penyimu Swami MP, former MP. He came to greet me. Kabo woman no sre. Na na big crampo. Omo nyina they went back. Then they went into a conclave. And they came back. A honor Afenyo Markin. So no na akwaje contract. Afenyo Markin eh. Who Afenyo Markin? And your classmate in me. Yes, of course. Na nyini cha Afenyo Markin metimi ya wona Afenyo Markin we design.
Nyini when you say ba untimi.
We design on kan ye ejima minti. Me mates omo yewie form 5 omo wo ye woni mo my age. Obi me hu na afe o. Nti Afenyo Markin say me nyini cha Afenyo Markin 2 years mpo. He hasn't got the right. It is a president no did na tamo because president na yi me. Say me ma be petition. Emre bia ye call Bank of Ghana enye security man na be petition. Obi mpatro mensre ene obi asem nkancho se jasere ye ne hwa asem no. Me pese mi hu se enye security man ene koje petition no. Ene ye me yase me nua we na fu se sampan ya na omu bi na eba ha. Na nke ne ye be chia ya mo ha. I'm telling you, obi ye no an sen na amene. Ye chi ne sen ne ntimi anyam. Se Afenyo Markin betimi ahwe me manim. Se me nobody obi si yi political office we free ho. Me mabobra o.
Yeah.
Mr. C Juma o GIPC. Me asantini ba o, ma yire me ho akọ school. Me free fie o. Obi me pese me ba be dwa manu, me papa ye lawyer ni o. Me papa ye Oxford trained lawyer. Yeah. I am the daughter of a lawyer, a pharmacist and a minister. Me free fie te timi ofie. Ya nte timi wakwa ho na me ton yogurt. Afenyo Markin time I me GIPC no wen. What right has he got? Say President Abobi. So my magic petition you saw the person. MPP wants respect, but they do not know how to give respect, especially to women. Justine Kodia. Time I was so kwano. No one and from wash a drosso. Yeah, nama so kwana ye no. No, Pacho.
So we did out of his
sweetheart, please don't start. Please don't start.
That's the point.
Please, I beg you. Sweetheart, I like you. Because if nobody told at that point, said what Afenyo was saying is not right, then nobody has a right to come and tell me, said me busa Obi, I am very decorous with that.
No, but two wrongs too don't make
because the point is that Obi,
the way she
eventually said petition him out eventually.
Now one farmer me found Obi, I want to ask petition crowd the man me post ya sign signature near here. I didn't want to.
But why not they share with him?
Almost because they send me nobody in almost the almost deputy your friend is saying women's organizer.
Oh
yes. Afenyo catch me said because they say me nobody in tino. That they don't expect me. See, I'm chief of staff, I'm deputy chief of staff, I'm a nobody, me a senior government official. Afenyo Markin. How I mean a dear in Denesi. Just in code your time I won't call me a general secretary, me na me a general secretary. Ober told me why pack. Now frame is senior. A dear ben answer. Afenyo Markin we are majority leader one for our party and co-opposition. You superintendent over 137 seats. Well, you superintendent over 88. How dare you stand in front? And how can some way chairman cry off a Ukraine Kenya? Media full go look at everywhere. What is he talking about? Me, I'm going to petition the speaker that if Afenyo Markin does not withdraw, I mean, what is it? How can you tell me in front of everybody?
Sir.
Say me you're nobody. You don't even know me. When I see you, I give you a lot of respect. When I see you, I give you a lot of respect. But you don't want to give respect. Say president, say president, say you be. Say petition. One confess security man, if you security man also. One confess cleaner. In the midst of our misery and the midst of the nations, nation no more. And decided say yes, I demonstration. Let's wait and postpone it. But more ahead when we were in some form of the country is in misery. And come and see our home. Obienia attends you. And you ask us to get up and come for a petition. The president says, this is the person I have given the power to collect the petition.
Collect the petition
and on my behalf. So is it the president that you are insulting? That you don't respect? I mean, I'm so mortified that you could stand there and look in the face of a woman and tell that woman, so you're nobody.
Okay.
Obi, I just cannot comprehend what happened. Obi and Musi democracy is under threat. Under attack. Democracy is under attack. Namodi petition about president. You instrumentalize demonstration to come and put your petition across. When NDC was in power, when they do demonstrations those days, Yakobi petition was 37. We insist that nobody. Today you insist that some back gate, nobody stopped you. Then you say that democracy is under attack. Is that it? That nobody, you went for a demonstration protected.
No, specific on the issues in Chiomokas and democracy.
I am saying then their broad theme is wrong, because it is not under attack if you are not unhindered.
Misalignment. It means there's policy misalignment. That the locally produced rice for our farmers in the savannah area northeast, a poor rice farmer who is expecting market for his produce, okay, is losing money because import is cheaper. Maize farmers are losing out because people on the market are buying imported maize. A government facing such a policy misalignment crisis must sit back, reflect, and re-strategize its policy, and not to be arresting opponents and targeting parliamentarians who are doing their work. All right? So, ab initio, this government has failed. They are not in control of the economy. What they are doing is just, cosmetic economy that they are running. With time, they will get exposed. Watch it. So that's a word of caution to them. We expect today's protest to be a very peaceful one. We're not here up in arms. We are here to exercise our civic responsibility as provided for in the Constitution, and we will do just that. We've seen the police around. We pray that they will give the necessary protection. Internally, the party has also put in place measures to ensure a peaceful demonstration. Nobody is going to get out of his way to destroy any state property. Not at all. We are responsible citizens, and I'm sure in the end, if the government listens to us, Ghana would be the beacon of hope for democracy in the sub-region. Thank you very much. As is expected, the chief of staff or the deputy or a very senior member of government, under the circumstance, should have been part of this discourse and to lead it. We feel that, with great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have our the chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. Members of Parliament and the leadership of Parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.